Captain Boylan's alleged misconduct in, again, preparing his crew for emergencies as well as responding to the actual fire that night.
Boylan will happen in the next few weeks if he's convicted. The charge of misconduct or neglect of a ship's officer carries a statutory maximum penalty of 10 years in federal prison. In downtown L.A., Pete Demetrio, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
California's earthquake brace and bolt program is now up and running. Natalie Davidian says it offers free grant money to retrofit your home.
An $80 million grant available to the state, and 15,000 homeowners can get their hands on that money to cover a big portion of doing a seismic retrofit. Burbank homeowner Paige Oliver took advantage of this last year.
Within a month, I was registered, and within a couple months, I was approved, and then it was done. It took maybe one day.
Homes that qualify typically were built before 1980. State Senator Anthony Portantino.
The bottom line is cost should not be a factor. There's a program to make it work for every family, and then there's a significant discounts that you get down the road to offset any out-of-pocket costs.
The biggest incentive, he says, it'll make your home safer. You'll get a discount on earthquake insurance. Reporting from Burbank, Natalie Tavidian, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
1220 News, 97.1 FM. Time to check your money with Larry Kowski.
A solid start to